here at the Arc in Winchester for Sound Winchester, which is a collective of community music groups that are coming together to put on a whole day of music.
Hello everyone.
I think it's a really amazing opportunity for all of the people making music in community settings to come together and talk to each other, find out, who's doing what and how we might help each other.
The workshop today was really lovely to show the skills off drum and get people stepping and work on those key skills to get wellness going and community.
I've just given a classical guitar workshop. I based it on the theme from Grieg's Morning Mood. I planned to give everyone one note, and they played the right note in the right place, so people could have a go even though they'd never played it before.
Let's pick an environment that we might be in, an imaginary environment. Where should we be?
Forest.
A forest, brilliant, thank you very much. We're going to start in a forest. We've just done a workshop where we've just been demonstrating how we write songs in a group. It's an opportunity for us to kind of just come out and share the way that we work in the hope that it might open the door to some other young aspiring musician. It's about expressing ourselves, it's about getting together as a community, learning with each other. It's just such a wonderful kind of way of learning about yourself and other people.
Run classes, workshops for schools, community organisations and corporate wellness, and training as well to upskill adults. It just became so apparent in how beneficial and how instant it is for lifting spirits, for getting people join for fitness, people join for the community aspect of making new friends, the cultural awareness as well.
I'm going to do one more and then I'll introduce some of our wonderful poets. You've got some incredible words coming your way. Here's a poem I wrote a while ago. It's called Tigress. They say there's a place in Thailand, if you're feeling brave enough, you can walk up and touch a chemically tamed tiger. The beast of Bengal dosed into oblivion.
So I was here with Poetry Platform, which is Winchester's longest running open poetry night, and we brought a few of our wonderful poets here with us.
I am bitter dinner in stomach pits. I am all energy in digestion and sitting without song, without fidget, that I am eyes heavy and head heavy.
And we held hands together, like colours split through a prism, holding hands, but all the hands were mine. The creases in our hands making a journey, overlapping, stepping paths, superposition.
You just sing at the top of your voice.
I think it's really important that the people of Winchester know that there are community musicians out there doing great work and they can be part of it.
just played
We just played a jazz gig.
the Sound Winchester.
Yep, at Sound Winchester.
Down by the riverside, thank God it's not anymore.
Absolutely, such an open space for anybody to take part in. You know, you don't get opportunities like it often.
So all you need to do is change all this here and match it, and then you've got 2 tracks. I have been delivering a digital DJ workshop. I love talking about this, it's been my life from a young age. I'm a DJ, I go by the name of Disorder. I'm also a part-time youth worker, where I bring the digital DJing side of things into engaging with young people out on the street. Basically teach the love of music and DJing, and try and engage with young people and anyone else essentially who wants to come and learn how to DJ. Bring it back to the beginning.
But then the water trickles down, and then the light feels now, and I wonder why you come, living free forever.
We're going to play each chunk at a time. It's a rehearsal. And then we will put it all together and we'll do a perfect medley, seamlessly blending 6 or 7 tunes.
Get mad, fury, roar, chase us and bite into our flesh so we know you're alive. Let out your cry and let the whole world know.
I think music builds a community like nothing else. You know, you can be of all different backgrounds, all different people are brought together by a love for making music and a celebration of music. And today's important because it takes that celebration of the community and puts it out for the rest of the community to come and enjoy.
Well, it's a collaborative exercise, Sound Winchester, with lots of people contributing different forms of music. I think the main focus is well-being and enjoyment. Music for well-being and enjoyment to enrich people's lives.
The strength of what music can do to help you with your mental health, just with focus, with anything essentially, if you're having worries, you know, about anything, music, you come into my studio and within an hour you've left and all those worries have just disappeared, you know.